Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Wednesday, the 22nd of September, 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and, of course, the world of economics. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 finished up 0.3% to 7,297 points today, continuing its climb back following the big fall on Monday. Given some of the crazy moves over the past couple of days, it was a fairly benign session of trading. The big news came out of China. The world's financial markets have been waiting to see if Chinese property giant Evergrande will make a payment to bondholders tomorrow. This morning it said it would do so. Then China's central bank injected cash into the economy to allay concerns of a debt crisis. The Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of Australia, Guy Debelle, appearing before a parliamentary hearing, said what most people were thinking. Ultimately, the fate of the property giant lies in the hands of Chinese policymakers, but the fact that Evergrande will pay tomorrow boosted sentiment. The shot of confidence about the Chinese economy helped the iron ore miners locally. Fortescue closed up today more than 4%, while Rio Tinto and BHP were both up around 2.5%. One of the best performers on the bourse today was Champion Iron, up 5.4%. It had been the iron ore company hit hardest in recent days. The best performer of the top 200 was scrap metal group Sims, which jumped more than 6%, while mining engineering group Worley rose 5.6%. The worst performer today was Premier Investments, down 4.5%, and Link Administration was off 3.4%. Across the bourse, the energy stocks did best, as did the materials companies, which of course includes the big miners. Financial stocks performed worst, followed by tech stocks. Among the large caps, the banks were lower, led by Westpac, which fell more than 1%. It's been trying to offload its Papua New Guinea and Fiji businesses to Kina Securities. Last week, the PNG competition regulator knocked back the deal, and today, Kina officially pulled out. Westpac now needs to sort out what to do with the business, given it isn't part of the group's long-term plans to simplify the business. The other bit of corporate news around today came from buy now, pay later group Zipco, which said it had bought a minority stake in Zest Money in India, earmarking the world's second most populous country as a growth region for its business. The Aussie dollar lost some ground today. It's trading around 72.5 US cents. And just quickly recapping Wall Street, the S&P 500 closed flat this morning. The Nasdaq was slightly higher and the Dow Jones was slightly lower. That's it for the afternoon market report for Wednesday, the 22nd of September, 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join me tomorrow morning for the Thursday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.